How to connect domain to Wix for free without paying Wix. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So basically all you're going to want to do with this is you're going to log in with your basic Wix account. Okay, and logging in with your Wix is really simple. Just go ahead to wix.com, and if you're already signed up, just go to the site you're already in. So let's say I have the site over here. I'm going to go into this site. And once we do this, it's going to take us to the site's dashboard. Now, to add a custom domain for free, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to the Wix settings. Now, the reason Wix is so famous and popular is because Wix allows, the proper working of free domains, and it's a really fun thing to have for your page. So we're just going to open up Wix, and once you open up Wix, we're going to go into the settings from there, okay? And once you go into the settings from there, what you can do is go ahead into, settings tab, and we're just going to wait for it to load up. And once you're over here, you're going to go on domains. Once you're going to go to domains, without upgrading your plan, you can connect a custom domain, because on the free plan, Wix allows you to actually connect a custom domain, which is pretty incredible if you think about it, because a lot of other website providers, they don't really allow you to add settings like these to your web store. So we're just going to go ahead, add this for ourselves. And once you add this, domain, and obviously you can choose your domain from any provider. It could be GoDaddy, it could be, Hostinger, Bluehost, whatever you want to go with. And obviously once you have chosen the proper domain for yourself, just go ahead and add it here. Okay, so it says connect a domain. Just go ahead and add whatever domain you want to go with. Once you do that, click on let's go. Wait, let me just remove the space. Click on let's go. And what this will do, it says get it. Just click on get it. And you can buy it on the other upgraded website. And once you buy it on the other website, you don't need to upgrade your website. Just click on buy now. And this will allow you to just get the domain and not upgrade your plan. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So obviously you're not going to get the domain for free, but you're going to put it on Wix for free. Most other web stores ask for payment, and you're not going to need to do that in this step. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.